You probably just opened a beautiful succulent arrangement that came from a friend or somebody who loves you. Hi, I'm Mary Minchella, and I own Sorella Minchella. We create beautiful succulent arrangements to give as gifts. I wanted to take a moment to show you how to care for and maintain your succulent arrangement, which can last for many, many months. Succulents like to dry out almost completely before they're watered again. That's why we suggest feeling for moisture. If it's dry to the touch, give it a little misting in and around the moss, and then you can set it and forget it for a week to 2 weeks, depending on the humidity in your area. It's very simple. I'll show you. If you want to know whether or not it's time to water your arrangement, you can just gently stick your finger into the moss and see if there's moisture to the touch. If there is moisture to the touch, you can wait. If it's dry to the touch, it's time to mist. The best time of day to water your arrangement is late afternoon, early evening. If your gift came with a spray bottle, you can use that, but any spray bottle filled with plain tap water will do. You just want to mist in and around the moss that surrounds the plants. But avoid spraying water directly into the flowers of the succulents because it's not good for the plants to have water sitting there, and if they happen to have a little sunlight hitting them, it will burn the leaves. We create these beautiful succulent boxes so they can easily sit on top of furniture or a desk or a console table. Because of that, they don't have drainage holes. So the biggest thing to avoid when watering your succulent arrangement is don't pour water directly into the box. If you have any questions or concerns about the succulent arrangement you've received, please email us at hello@sorellaminchella.com. And you can follow us and send us a direct message on both TikTok and Instagram. Our handle is @SorellaMinchella. Enjoy your succulent arrangement. I hope it brings you many, many months of beauty and color. And thank you for being part of our little succulent family.